Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher for this session. We are going to starting our class 4 maths. This book already introduced this book, so all of you should have this book during listening my lecture. You should have also a rough copy and pen in your hand so that the important things you will write. The first chapter that we are going to starting, this chapter is according to numbers and arithmetic operations. In this chapter, first of all, we will discuss about numbers and then after arithmetic operation like plus, minus, multiply and divide. These signs are called operations and numbers. First of all, we have to discuss about numbers that you already studied in the previous class. So these are the same numbers. So let's see about before going to the forward. Just we have to learn that table. This is basically international standard table. Uh, After learning this table, you people will come to know how to write the numbers. So first of all, I have some numbers 129,732, 38601, 394, 375, 964, 321. So I wrote these numbers in that table. First of all, you people will come to know how to write these some numbers in a table. So, first of all, let's see. This table has basic three boxes: 1,000, million. In one, there is unit, 10, 100. Unit, 10, 100. The first thing you will repeat: unit, 10, 100. The next is 1,000. The next in 1,000 table, in 1,000 column, there will be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. If you forget this one, no issue. You can forget, no issue. But if you forget this row, it will be it means you forget all. So this row will be learned very properly, very carefully, like this: unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, like this. I will repeat again: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Unit, tens, 100. Unit, 10, 100. Sometimes it seems to be written in the form of U. O will be written. O mean ones. Ones and unit both are same. I will write here O also. O mean ones. You can say the first one. One unit mean also one. Unit, ones, tens, 100. Unit, 10, 100. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, this is the basic thing. You people can write like this. And then after, if someone say that, write any numbers in the form of table. So you will, first of all, you will write unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and up ones, 1,000 and million. Like this. Okay, when we are going to writing, like I have number 3 and 3, 6. So we have to find the place value of 6. 6 number digit. If I have 5 number digit, so what will be the greatest number? If I have 6 number digits, what will be the greatest digit? We have to find this in our mind. It will be easy. Like this, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these have 6 digit number. This number has 6 digits. So let me see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the greatest value of 100,000. 100,000. I mean 100,000. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So if I have the 6 digit number, then its value will be 100,000. Like this. If I have a number 3, 6, 7, 8. If I have a number having 8 digit, what will be its place value? What will be its greatest digit name will be? So 3, 8. This will be 10 million. 10 million. It means 38 million. Like this. I will repeat again. Unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. This will be for 3 and 8. 3 is the greatest number over here and the place of 3 is 10 million. So what we will say, 38 million will be like this. The whole number I'm not reading in the form of sentence, just I'm saying the greatest, the place value of the number. So this number is have 3, 6 and 9 digit. This number is 9 digit number. So what is the greatest, what is the place value of ninth digit? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in ninth digit number, the greatest number is here 8 and the eighth is here 100 million, like this. 100 million is the greatest number which is here. Now see, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. I'm saying again ones and unit. I'm using both words at the same time so that all the confusion in your mind will remove like this. So look, if I ask the 6, tell me the place value of 6. How people you will tell, how you can tell to me 6. Find here 6. After putting in the table, you will come the place value 6. Look, 10,000. 10,000. It means 60,000. Like this. Now, if I ask the place value of 3, then what you will tell? 100th place. Where is 3 here? This 3 is here and this is 100. So 300. Its place is 300 because 3 is here for 100 place. Like, take any other number. If I will take this 8, we will find 8 is here and the place value of 8 is million. Here the place value of 8 is million. So how we will describe to others? 8 millions. 8 is here for 8 millions place. Hope you are getting these points. These points are very important. If I say that the place value of 2, so easy, so simple. So 2 is here, unit place, ones place. So how will I write just 2? Like, take this 9 here. So place value of 9 here. We first of all will find write in the table in the form like this. 9 here is thousands place. So 9,000 like this. Hope so you people will understand. These are the basics. My lecture is basically concept based lecture. If you listen me very carefully, on the same time you will get to know all these things. I just summarize these what I said the whole. First of all, you have to learn the table, draw the table. Then what you will do? Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. You will write. These basically are 9. The first 3, unit, 10, 100, unit, 10, 100. These are first 3. And then after 100 there will be 1000. After 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, 100,000. And there is 100,000. After 100,000, what will be done? There will be a million. Then after 10 million, then after greater than 10 million will be 100 million will be there, like this. So hope so you will understand. And then after, if someone asks the place value of 5th digit, look, I have a number in my mind and the 4th digit of my number is 3. The 4th digit of my number is 3. Oh, what will be the place value? So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say 4,000. Thousands place. 4 is at their 1000 place, so we can say 4,000. Okay, this is the basic concept of numbers. So hope you people will understand like this. So in this numbers, we are going to discussing the topics place value chart. These two things have discussed. Place value charts. These are our key points that we are going to discussing. So hope so place value is done for all of you. And then place value chart. This is a place value chart. I'm saying also this is a place value table. You can say chart. And then number in words, the very important, the next who is coming here. In the place value, we discussed this thing. Place value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth number are total over here that we are discussing, that are hundreds million, and here total numbers are 9. If someone asks, tell me the 4th place. So this 4th means not to count from here. 4th means simple. 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4th. Here 1, 2, 3, 4th. like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6, 7, 8, like this we have to tell. Now, this has done. Write the numbers in word or in place value chart. So these both the things. Now our next key point, next of that we are going to discussing numbers in words. So numbers in words. This is very important to us. The first number I'm going to write it by myself. 7, 8. A very simple number. How we will write? The place of 7 is 10. The place of 8 is ones or unit. Like this. If I put here 7, 8, then it will be unit and 7 will be at 10. So we will write in words 78. In word form, it will be 78. You will write by a very simple, so I am not writing. If I will take a bigger number as compared to this, before writing 78, you will write here in the form of heading. Then take any other number. Look, this number is 129732. It's already written here. So how we will read this? First of all, we are going to read it. This one is here at hundreds place. 2 is here at tens place, 9 is here at thousands place. So 129, because 1 is here for hundredth place. 129. This is done. I'm repeating 129. Then we will read 1732. I'm going to repeating again. 129 are here. 129 thousands and 732, like this. The next number is here 38. This is done. 38601 394. This is after putting in the chart, then we will get 386. So find the place value of 3. 10 million. This is 8. 8 is at million place. So this is here, 3 is here for 10 million. 38 million, because 3 is here at 10 million. So 10's place. So 10 number remain. We will read at the same time 38 million, and this we already done. 601,394. I'm going to repeating again. 38 million. 38 million, because 3 is here for 10th place, and 601,394, like this. So hope so you will understand. The last example is here 875,964,321. So after putting in the place value chart, we will get 875 million, because 8 is here for hundreds place. 875 million. I'm repeating. 875 million. 964,321, like this. Okay, this is the next. This has come. Now the very simple and smallest and greatest number. This and this sign. The last thing that I am going to discuss. This symbol and this symbol denoted for us. If we have two numbers, 4 and 5. So I am going to discussing about the number, which one is greatest and which one is smallest as compared to 4. So 5 is greatest as compared to 4. 5 will be written at here and 4 will be written at like this. Where the open form of symbol will tell about the greatest number, and the closed form will tell about the smallest number. In anywhere, if we have 78 like this, 78 will be smaller than 79. So 79, the symbol, the open mouth of symbol on the greatest value, and the closed form will be on the smallest value. So this is for smallest and greatest. So this is our last outcome that we have done. And the homework that you people have to do, exercise 1A, question number 1. These are fill in the blanks. All of you people will do these fill in the blanks on your books. But if there is a need, or to solve any question, you will solve first of all on your rough copy, then you will solve this exercise 1A, question number 1 on your book. So hope so this today's lecture you people will understand betterly and you people will come to know all the basic things. So मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर तक फिर मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।